When I was in my first year, become first year, that time I attended one spoken English class, and that because I am able to speak in English. So when I was in first year, I was doing that. I I was looking for opportunity to speak, listen, and read English. So that time I had not many books to read in English, but I have an opportunity. I had an opportunity to go there and have that environment to speaking English and listening English. So that could I do, and that because I am able to speak in English. So I don't think my English good or great or bad. I just know I can handle the situation in English. I can get result. What do I want to from that conversation? It is also like our mother tongues because we also doesn't know that how to speak fluently in Marathi, Hindi, Telugu in other languages. We don't know all the vocabulary of our mother tongue, but we can speak and we can handle the situation just like a mother tongue. Like that, we have to understand that in English language also we can't remember the all vocabulary in English. There are lots of vocabulary in English and there are lots of grammar, lots of rules in the grammar. So simply understand the basic principle of speaking English because just try to speak in English. Maybe your pronunciation wrong, your first day, second day, you after 1 month you will be not taking great efforts on your English communication. You can't speak in English. So after 1 month, 2 month, by practicing every day, every single day, and if your practice go to the 1000 hour, then you can able to speak in English because find a one partner and have daily conversation, daily interaction with that person. Read 10 minutes every day and make sure to read loudly. Then watch television, English news channels, TED Talks, then English movies with subtitle, English serials. Give your 2 hour a day. Yes, maybe TED Talks video in 15 minutes, 10 minutes reading, uh, 10 minutes vocabulary for uh, using dictionary, seeing sorry, synonyms, antonyms. That will be great one. So you have to know that English is a skill, and if you give your time present to English, English will give you more opportunities in your future. So for making, in order to making our future bright, you have to work on today on our English communication. So this is the what I want to say from this video. I'm sure that you will get my point. You have get my point, and I am a Deepak Deshmukh, motivational speaker. So as soon as possible, please subscribe to my channel because I want 2 lakh subscribers in 1 month. This is my commitment, and don't forget to smile. Till then, take care. Every day new video for you. For and I will have we will have on that platform English phrases, English daily use communication, and I am making short videos also every day. So without wasting time, you will get more benefit from this channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Till then, take care. Don't forget to smile. Bye.